Give and Play Kitchen. I'm back with Angel. Angel has his favorite spot. Today he will show his dancing skill to you guys. Today I'm cooking smoky eggplant, which is called Baigan ka Bharta. But before that, my message for today is life is beautiful. You know guys, sometimes life has ups and downs, but it's okay. Sometimes life can be sad, that's okay too. Life becomes beautiful if we find beauty in little and small things. जिंदगी हसीन है, but सबके देखने का नजरिया अलग अलग है. Okay guys, let's start with my ingredients. 1 large of onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic cut it in small pieces, 1 tablespoon of red chili, 1.5 cup of cilantro, 2 medium green chilies, salt to taste, 400 gram of eggplant, 2 medium tomatoes, half a tablespoon of turmeric, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 5 curry leaves. Now I'm gonna make a 3 cut. Make sure the cut is not deep, not that deep. This is the second cut. Now this is the third cut. I slit the eggplant. Now I will slide the garlic inside. Like this. You see? Now done. And at the top I will just paint oil on the skin. We put the oil at the top because it's easy to peel the skin off. Now let me put this eggplant on the stove, and I'm just turning on the flame. After a few minutes you will flip and roast until outside skin burns. I just removed the eggplant from stove. I will let it cool for few minutes. The reason we roast eggplant because it gives a smoky flavor in bharta. I'm just peeling off. See how the skin is coming because of the oil. See? Right here. Now the eggplant skin is off. I will cut the stem. Now I'm gonna cut it first, and then I will mash it. You know, this is one of my favorite dish that I always like to eat with pita bread. or chapati. See, I'm gonna mash it. I can smell garlic. The smell is so good. Now let me turn the stove again. Let me pour the oil. Now I'll put cumin seed in there. Stir it. Now the onion is going in there. Stir it. Now I'm gonna put green chili. Now I'm gonna throw turmeric powder. Then coriander powder. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. And this tomato. Now mix it well. Now I'm going to put eggplant and I'll give a quick mix. Now I'm gonna give a quick mix. The smoky flavor is so tempting. Then you have to close the lid for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, you can open the lid and you can see my smoky eggplant is ready. It smells so good. It looks tempting. And now I'm gonna serve this. Now my given plate is full with smoky eggplant. I'm gonna garnish with coriander leaf to look beautiful. As we garnish our plate to look beautiful, same way, if we want our life to be beautiful, garnish it with good deeds. Remember, secret of living is giving. If you like my recipes and messages, please share and subscribe. Stay healthy. God bless. I'll be back with some other recipes.